In this video, I want to show you a really cool website you can create great NFTs with, or just digital art, whatever you want to do. I'm going to walk you through the whole process so that this will be really easy for you to create, and in the end you should be able to create some nice looking NFTs or some nice looking art pieces. So make sure to watch the video all the way to the end, and make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you like this video. But now let's get right into this. Alright, as already said, this is a website, so what you have to do is just go to your browser and then we have to search for pixelart.com. This website should pop right up, and here we want to go onto the link. And then we should be on this website right here, and that is the website I'm talking about, pixelart.com. And here, as you can already see, we can create great looking art, pretty simple, great looking art pretty easily that we then can turn into NFTs or just, sell or just create that for ourselves. And then here you can just go ahead and click on start drawing. Now, when you have done that, something like this will pop up and you can create a new drawing. So when you get here, you can first of all just choose your width and height for your canvas, so you can whatever measurements you like. There are also some presets down here if you want to just choose from there. And of course, you can also open an image, open like a pixel file or something else. But we will for this now create a new drawing. So then when you have set everything up, you can just click on new drawing. And then this canvas should pop right up, and you can already see it's divided into these different tiles. And now we can start to draw on this. So I will begin with just explaining the basic tools, since I think that's pretty important to know, and then we can go ahead and try something on here. So when we look at the tools, we can see over here we have first of all a pencil tool, then an eraser tool, a brush tool, and many basic tools, also a bucket tool to fill in things. And I think that are the most important ones from this selection right here. But you can always just go in here and then see what this tool does. Then up here, what is also really important is that we can undo and redo our moves. So when we are drawing and we don't want something to stick, then we can just undo it, and then this won't be on here. Then down here, this is also really important. We can create different layers. So I can draw something on here and then create a layer above that where I, for example, have the color, and then I can just deactivate it by clicking on this little button and activate it again in case I want the color to stick or not. Now down here, it's pretty simple too. We just have basic colors we can select and draw with. And in case you're not happy with the colors that are available here, you can also click down here to add color, and then you can choose a new random color that you like and use it in here. That were basically the most important features you need to know when you start drawing here. And then basically everything that is left to do is for you to try out different things. Now you obviously need something you want to draw about, but you can basically just find something and then begin with that. So if I, for example, now want to draw a tree, I can just drag the mouse right here, as simple as that, and draw something like that, fill it out with some color, and then also add some details. So I think I'm just gonna draw something now and put a time lapse on it so that you can see how this really works. So now I've just quickly created something. As you guys can see, this took me like 5 minutes or something, and I think this actually looks okay already. Now if I would spend some more time on this, I think I could definitely create something really good looking. And I've used this website in a couple of other videos already, and they are really created some nice looking things. So now when we have created that though, we can, first of all, if you just want to have the art piece for yourself, you can obviously just go ahead and go onto the file and then export or download it. And here we can just download it as a PNG file. And yeah, So here I have the downloaded PNG file now, and now I can also, if I want to turn it into an NFT, just go to OpenSea. And here on OpenSea you just quickly have to log in with a MetaMask wallet. You can create that too in like 5 minutes. You just search up a video, and then we can easily just upload the item and give it a name, also add some traits, and then create it and launch it on and mint it onto the blockchain we like. Overall, I think this is really a great website to create your own digital art, and overall I would say it's probably the best website you can create pixel NFTs or pixel art with. You can just place these tiles on the canvas and then create a nice picture, and I've used this in multiple other videos too, since I think this is so great. So I would definitely recommend you to check this out. Try it for yourself. You can just go to pixelart.com and then you can try it out for yourself and create some really nice looking art. Definitely let me know in the comment section what you think about this website, if you have tried it or not already. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and ask and I will try to reply. And with that said, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and definitely make sure to check out this website. And with that said, I will hopefully see you guys next time. Bye.